Wolf Clan, Lego Ninjago, Dragons Rising.
Well, great. This looks like trouble.
Our prey has arrived. I've never hunted a ninja before.
What are you both meant to be anyway?
We are hunters of the Wolf Clan, and you will learn to fear us.
Whoa!
Ah! Whoa! Allow me. You're in trouble, ninja.
Bring it!
Yeah! Was that it, ninja?
Ninjago!
The Wolf Clan is coming for you all, and there's nothing you ninja can do to stop us.
Lego Ninjago, Wildfire and Heatwave!
We must capture that dragon.
Ah! You want to fight us? Are you stupid?
Who might you be?
I am Wildfire and I am Danger!
Hunters, deal with her. We'll try.
But she looks scary!
I am scary!
Ah! Well, you are powerful.
Heatwave, shut him up! Ah!
How dare you!
Ah! I'm gonna get you so bad!
Fight me now!
Ah! Ha! I always win! Ah!
Lego Ninjago! Dragons Rising Showdown! Imperium! I'm not gonna let you hurt another dragon!
You're awfully bold for a civilian.
Civilian? I'm a ninja!
A ninja, eh? Then there's no reason to hold back.
Whoa! Yeah!
Oh no!
Whoa! Well, that showed him!
Hunter Wolf, get him!
Hunter Wolf? Oh no!
Need some backup?
It's Zane, the Ice Ninja!
Charge! He is dealt with.
Whoa! Nice job!
Working together, we can stop them.
Empress Beatrix, Lego Ninjago, Dragons Rising. Soon all the combined realms will bow before the Imperium.
We'll do whatever it takes to stop you. Yeah, the last thing we need is another bad villain. Lightning!
You call that an attack? Disgraceful. Now fall!
Get back! Gee!
Surrender, ninja, or your fate is sealed.
Surrendering is just not what we do.
Get Jay to safety! I'll deal with her!
Good idea.
A child cannot stop me.
Whoa! Let's rumble!
Yes, let's.
Ha!
Yeah! Ha! Say goodbye!
Ah!
You will all be crushed by the might of the Imperium!
Lloyd and Sora, Lego Ninjago, Dragons Rising. Sora, the Imperium is inbound on our position.
Then we'll just have to fight them off, Sensei Lloyd.
We've found you.
Whoa! Ah!
Your powers are no match for Imperium tech.
Back to me! Now to use my elemental power of technology!
Whoa! She transformed that bike!
Say goodbye, Dragon Hunter. Direct hit.
That was the wrong move. Yeah.
You're mine! Now don't attack us anymore!
Yeah, or we'll have to show you who's boss again.
Lego Ninjago, Lloyd versus the Imperium. The Imperium are coming, but they won't get past me without a fight.
It's the Green Ninja!
Whoa! Ha! And who's up next?
See to his defeat at once!
Let's see what you've got!
Yeah! Yeah!
Whoa! Ha! Think you can do any better, Rapton?
Well, now you mention it!
Oh great! My sword!
Now what are you going to do?
Spin Jitsu! Ninjago! Ah! And that's them stopped. For now.
Lego Ninjago, Empress Beatrix versus Aaron and Sora!
Sora! We can defeat her together!
For the good of all dragons, we must win this battle! You think you're a threat to me? Very well. Don't hold back.
Hold back? Not against you! Gah!
Victory will never be yours. Whoa! Your reign ends now, Beatrix! The only thing ending now is you! Fly fast, dragon! Just hold still! If you say so! Is that it?
Not even close!
How dare you!
Now, Sora!
Dragon, attack! Ah!
We actually won!
Working together, we'll always win.
Lego Ninjago! Dragons Rising! Aaron! The name's Aaron, and I'm the new ninja on the block.
New ninja, eh? Well, you won't be around long.
Who are you?
I'm Rapton, and you're toast.
No way! My grapple hook is awesome!
You miserable brat.
Come closer, and I'll take you for another spin!
No thanks.
Ah!
Let's finish this.
Bring it, Dragon Hunter! Yeah! Ninja, go! No matter what, the Imperium needs to be stopped! Lego Ninjago City Markets, Part 1. Nia, I just received intel that Misdemeanor has been spotted near our location. No way! It's the actual ninja!
Holy moly! I'll keep watch for her, Lloyd. But where in the city could she be? Oh, I would not want to be the next one in there.
Ninja! I can hear Misdemeanor on the roof!
There she is! I've been spotted! Eat fire! Whoa! What Ah!
Nice job! You got her!
Not just yet, Ninja. Get the camera rolling. I'm coming to you live, Ninjago, from the city markets where the ninja are fighting Misdemeanor. I said no publicity! Run!
We have to stop her! And fast!
Lego Ninjago City Markets Part 2 Misdemeanor Attack. You ninjas so won't be stopping me.
Just give up already! Ah!
That hurt. Now's my chance. And off you go. You're just making me angry now. Take her down, Lloyd.
Oh, I'll take her down!
Yeah.
Whoa!
And who's up next? Lloyd!
I've got this!
And who might you be?
I'm Aaron, the new ninja!
Ah!
That's her dealt with! Nice job, Aaron!
Holy moly! Another eventful day at the city! And once again, the ninja saved the day.
Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell. Have a wonderful day.